Welcome back. If you want smooth pans and rock-solid stability for your next shoot, you need the right gear. Today, we are breaking down the 5 best professional video tripods on the market to help you capture cinematic footage without breaking a sweat.
Product number 1, K&F Concept 64-inch Camera Tripod. The K&F Concept 64-inch camera tripod is an absolute powerhouse for creators who are constantly on the move. Weighing in at just over 2.5 pounds and folding down to a highly compact 15.3 inches, this is the ultimate travel companion for outdoor shoots. Despite its ultra-lightweight profile, it boasts an impressive load capacity of 17.6 pounds, making it fully capable of supporting heavy DSLR setups and telephoto lenses without compromising stability. The included 28mm metal ball head is a standout feature, allowing for silky smooth 360-degree panning to capture breathtaking panoramic landscapes. For macro photographers or unique low-angle shots, the center column can easily be inverted. Featuring a quick flip leg lock mechanism, you can deploy the entire stand with just one hand in seconds. If portability and quick deployment are your top priorities, this K&F Concept model delivers incredible value and versatile performance.
Product number 2, SmallRig AD01 Video Tripod. If you need studio-grade stabilization that can handle serious cinematic payloads, the SmallRig AD01 Video Tripod is a premium heavy-duty solution. Extending up to an impressive 73 inches, this aluminum tripod weighs 8.8 pounds while securely supporting up to 17.6 pounds of gear. What truly sets the AD01 apart is its incredibly versatile fluid head system. It features a 75mm half-bowl base that allows for rapid leveling on uneven terrain, along with flawless 360-degree panning and a vertical tilt range of +90 to -75 degrees. The most innovative feature for hybrid shooters is the dual quick-release plate design. With a simple switch, the head instantly accommodates standard Manfrotto-style plates or the original DJI RS2 quick-release plates, dramatically speeding up your workflow when transitioning from tripod to gimbal. Complete with accessory threads for monitors, this SmallRig model is built for serious video production. Product number 3, JOILCAN Tripod Camera Tripods. The JOILCAN 74-inch camera tripod is the perfect crossover tool for content creators who shoot with both professional mirrorless cameras and smartphones. This versatile aluminum stand reaches a towering 74 inches fully extended, yet cleverly collapses down to just 18 inches for travel. It handles a solid payload of up to 14 pounds, utilizing thickened 29mm leg tubes to eliminate micro vibrations and ensure a perfectly steady shot. The highlight of this JOILCAN system is its detachable 3-way swivel pan head. It gives you precise control with independent locks for panning, tilting, and vertical flipping, ensuring you never have a blind spot in your field of vision. It also ships with an integrated universal phone mount, meaning you can effortlessly swap between a heavy DSLR setup and your mobile device for quick social media content. For multi-platform creators needing flexibility, this tripod is an outstanding choice.
Product number 4, NEEWER 90-inch Horizontal Camera Tripod. For overhead unboxings, flat-lay photography, and high-angle video setups, the NEEWER 90-inch overhead horizontal camera tripod is entirely in a league of its own. This exceptionally tall stand reaches a massive maximum height of 90.6 inches, giving you unmatched reach. Its defining feature is the flexible center column, which can be extended horizontally and rotated 360 degrees to capture precise top-down angles without the tripod legs getting in your shot. Built from heavy-duty metal alloy, it supports a massive 22-pound payload, ensuring your heavy camera rig stays secure even when extended horizontally. A 360-degree panoramic ball head provides buttery-smooth tracking, while the archetype quick-release plate ensures fast gear swaps. As a bonus, one of the legs easily detaches to convert the entire system into a functional monopod. The NEEWER 90-inch tripod offers the ultimate geometric flexibility for dynamic studio recording and product reviews.
Product number 5. SIRUI AM25S Video Tripod. The SIRUI AM25S Video Tripod brings true broadcast-level quality to independent filmmakers and run-and-gun documentarians. Extending up to 74.8 inches, this professional aluminum kit utilizes a heavy-duty double-tube leg design and a mid-level spreader, providing absolute rigidity and zero torsional twisting during aggressive camera movements. It comfortably supports up to 22 pounds of equipment. The included fluid head is masterfully engineered, featuring a 75mm bowl base for instant horizon leveling and an advanced dynamic balancing system. You can fine-tune the pan friction using the adjustable tension ring, guaranteeing your sweeps are perfectly smooth and completely lag-free, regardless of the camera's weight. The oversized twist leg locks allow for rapid height adjustments in the field, while retractable metal spikes provide exceptional grip on rugged outdoor terrain. If you demand flawless, fluid camera movements and unshakable support for large cinema rigs, the SIRUI AM25S delivers flawlessly. If you want an ultra-light budget option for travel, K&F Concept and JOILCAN offer excellent entry-level value. For overhead product shots, NEEWER is unbeatable. But if you need premium, high-payload fluid heads for heavy cinema rigs, SmallRig and SIRUI justify their higher price tags with unmatched broadcast-level stability.